Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general healthcare. Some of these were puzzling. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Studies have shown that spending time with friends can be good for your health. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your well-being, why not consider visiting a casino with your friends? Casinos are great places to socialize and have fun. And, as an added bonus, they can also help you keep fit and healthy. That's because walking around a casino floor can help increase your step count for the day. Plus, if you're playing games like poker or blackjack, you'll be getting a mental workout, too. So, next time you're looking for a night out with your friends, consider heading to the casino. There are plenty of health benefits to be gained from hydrofoiling. As a sport, it helps improve your cardiovascular health and can also strengthen your muscles. In addition, hydrofoiling can help improve your balance and coordination. All of these health benefits can lead to a better overall sense of well-being. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your health, why not give hydrofoiling a try? Listening to the sound of a waterfall can help you sleep better. The health benefits of sleep are well documented, and getting enough rest is essential for overall wellness. The calming sound of rushing water can help lull you into a deep sleep, as well as the pleasant noise can block out other disturbing noises. If you have trouble sleeping, try listening to a waterfall before bedtime. Eating too many fried foods can lead to weight gain and obesity. Obese individuals are more likely to suffer from serious health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. If you are trying to forget weight or maintain a healthy weight, it is best to limit your intake of fried foods.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.